Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove Gmail account access from unwanted websites. This is an important security step that helps you control which third-party apps and services can access your Google account information, ensuring your data stays protected. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to mail.google.com. Once you're there, sign in with the Gmail account from which you want to remove access. Make sure you're using the correct account if you have multiple Gmail addresses, as this process will only affect the account you're currently signed into. After signing in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture or initial. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to the main hub where you can control all aspects of your Google account settings. Once you're in your Google account settings, you'll see a left sidebar with different categories. Click on Security. This section contains all the tools you need to protect your account and manage who has access to your information. It's worth familiarizing yourself with this area as it's central to keeping your account secure. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Third-Party Apps with Account Access. This is where Google lists all the external apps and websites that you've granted permission to connect with your Gmail account. Click on Manage Third-Party Access to see the complete list of connected apps and websites. You'll now see all the services that currently have access to your account. Take a moment to review this list carefully. Find the app or website you want to remove access for, then click on its name to expand its details. This will show you what type of access that particular service has. To revoke access, simply click Remove Access. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm this action. Click OK or Remove to finalize the removal. The app or website will immediately lose access to your Google account. If you have multiple unwanted apps or websites on your list, repeat this process for each one. It's good practice to review this list periodically to ensure only trusted services have access to your account. Thanks for watching.